Well, good morning, class. Social Work 300. Welcome to week 4. By this week 4, you should have your SPSS software. You should have completed the assignments, which give you an overview of how to use SPSS. And you should by now be ready or already have started working on your SPSS assignments. So, this week, for sure, you're going to use SPSS, create some data files, produce tables. There's some learning objectives. By the end of this week, you should be able to participate in the following activities. Now, keep in mind, for some of the student versions of SPSS, you may not have syntax, but that's okay. There's lots of other great things you're going to learn. Additionally, in week 4, you should have your book by now, and you should have read at least up to these chapters, chapter 7. It's a really great book, Slavery and African Ethnicities in the Americas. And once again, the reason why we utilize this book is because there are SPSS data files that you can also work with. You also should have read chapters 5 and 9. Not 5 through 9, but just chapter 5 and chapter 9, because it has some really great information that you're going to need. And also, just to let you know, there are video lectures for each of the assignments for this week. So make sure that you do them. And if it does require that you use the discussion board, go ahead and make sure you post that so you can get credit for those video lectures, for watching and processing those videos lectures as well. So this week, when I do meet with you online, and I believe this week we're meeting on Wednesday morning, we're going to talk about project number 1. If you have any questions, certainly by Wednesday you should have at least started working on it on your own. And I do hope that you will bring to the video lecture some questions. Project 2, your SPS research report using GSS data. You need to click on that in the projects folder, and all the information you need will be there. And by this week, you should have written and submit no later than midnight Friday your Louisiana Slave Database project and all that goes along with it, your assignment 4 problem definition paper, and exercise 4. Make sure that you complete them. Project 1, exam 4, assignment 4, and exercise 4. All of these assignments are relatively basic and should not take you an inordinate amount of time. You should be fine. And of course, to find these assignments and exercises and projects, simply click on the appropriate folder and go to the assignment. So that's all there is for week 4. Now, if you have any questions, and please feel free to email me and ask. But you do realize there's also a student lounge where you all can connect with each other if you have questions and want to work together in just locating different bits of information. But remember, everybody has to do their own work. No cheating, no copying, no sharing of information. And that's pretty much it for this week. And we're at the midpoint this summer. So if you're doing well, that's great. If you're not doing so well, remember there is an extra credit area, and you can just click on that extra credit area. And there are many, 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 many extra credit assignments for you. Extra credit, you can complete 1 each week as needed. More if you like, but extra credit is not worth more than 1 point towards your final grade. Not more than 1 point. So if you need extra credit, it's there for you. Hopefully you don't. So back to week 4. Here are your assignments, activities for week 4. Good luck. And if you have questions, be sure to email me or let me know. Thank you for watching and have a great day.